It was night and day when you entered the space of me. Fragrantly sedated, stuck in your gravity. Burn me alive with your cutting stare, crushed in the dive of your flooding prayer. I wanna taste of your freedom. I wanna taste of your freedom. Frozen inside when you're not there. Weight of the world on me, I don't care. I wanna taste of your freedom. I wanna taste of your freedom. A straight shot to the system. Please to be your victim. Now I finally elevated. Nothing could touch me. Flashlight hit that soul reload. Night ride, I'll take any road. On my way to go, 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 go. Flashlight hit that soul reload. Night ride, I'll take any road. On my way to go, 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 go. Burn me alive with your cutting stare, crushed in the dive of your flooding prayer. I wanna taste of your freedom. I wanna taste of your freedom. Frozen inside when you're not there. Weight of the world on me, I don't care. I wanna taste of your freedom. I wanna taste of your freedom. Give me a taste of your freedom. Oh, could you set me free? I wanna know. I just wanna taste of your freedom. 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 I just wanna taste of your freedom.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. the sharks. I was swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping in disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide. Be quiet. I hear the thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in